resurrecting a 1986 Onkyo turntable married up to about 10-year-old Onkyo receiver. Hooked up to the auxiliary port. This is what happens. No sound. So we hook up the preamp. It's powered. It's connected to the back of the turntable. And it is also connected to a port on the receiver.
All right, I bought the Pyle turntable preamp, model PP999, and I connected it to my Retro Pioneer turntable, and it's going into an Onkyo receiver. As you can see, the Pyle preamp is here. It's coming in from the turntable, going out to the receiver. And there is the 12-volt power supply that comes with the preamp. And when I play the record, just running through some acoustic research speakers. And it works perfectly.
Bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun to ride and sing in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All of the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is.
You must remember this. A kiss is still a kiss. A sigh is just a sigh. Fundamental things apply as time goes by.
I met you time, girl.